Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is AG and this is the channel where you get makeup transformation tutorials to celebrities, hair tutorials, skincare, lifestyle videos, and many more. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my content. In today's video, I attempted to recreate this iconic look for Megan Thee Stallion. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Right now, I am priming my face. I had wiped and sprayed my face with setting spray just to give my skin some hydration, and now I'm going in with Zikel's HD concealer in the shade Caramel as my foundation shade, and I'm also using this to spot conceal on my dark spots. And I'm spraying this once more and grab my sponge and I begin to blend. You want to blend till your foundation looks like skin. The reason why I use a concealer because I wanted a very light base for this makeup look, so I used a concealer instead of a foundation, but you can use whatever you want. You can use a foundation or a concealer, it's totally up to you. So now I'm using the Zikel HD concealer in the shade Sexy Blackie. Ooh. I'm gonna apply this on my cheeks like so, and I'm gonna apply some on my nose bridge as well, taking it far up to make my nose look elongated. And I'm using a brush, an angular blush from Urban Decay's collection, and I'm using this to brush it out properly. Spend your time in blending. It will really make a huge difference in the outcome of your look. So I'm gonna brush it all out till it looks smooth and skin-like. And now I grabbed Ushas cream concealer palette and I'm applying this on my under eyes to snatch my under eyes, and I'm gonna apply enough to cover up my sunken eyes. And I'm doing this on the other side as well. I'm also going to apply on my forehead and down the tip of my nose. I'm applying enough to cover underneath my lips and my chin, and I'm going to spray this once more with setting spray and blend. So if you're using a cream concealer like I am, blend right after spraying it with a setting spray. It will leave the moisture and it will help blend it out properly without you spending time blending it out when it's still dry and creamy. So this will really help you blend it out easily. For powder, I'm using Kiss Beauty Loose powder to set under my lips, and I grabbed the Feeble highlighter to set under my eyes and every other areas that I had concealed earlier on. So I'm just applying a little amount, not too much, just to set. Really what I'm doing is self-explanatory, so all you have to do is just watch. To bake, I'm using Ben Nye's baking powder in the shade Banana, and I'm using this to bake the sides of my nose and under my eyes and other areas that I concealed earlier on. I'm just blending that in and going in tapping motions to make sure there's no harsh lines and everything is smooth and nice. And I spray, and now it's time for brows. I'm just going to use my wax to lay my brows down and brush that out with my spoolie. I'm going to use a very sharp brow pencil, and I'm going to draw out my brows and fill it in with the brow pencil. Now I'm going to grab my spoolie and brush it all out, and I'm using the same cream palette from earlier on. I'm just going to use this to conceal my brows. I also use the Zikel concealer, the same one I use for my foundation, and now I'm blending this out with a blending brush. Now for eyes, I grabbed a grayish brown shade and I'm just smoking out the outer corner of my eyes. I dipped into a black and a brown and I smoked it out even more to create more depth. Now to cut crease, I'm using the same cream palette from Ushas and I'm using this to cut crease and I'm blending that out as I go. I grabbed an angular brush and I dipped it into a black pigment and I'm just creating a soft smoky line. I also grabbed the silver shimmer shade and now I'm going in with a black pencil to outline my eyes. I'm sorry, but I couldn't find the clips of this lip, but it's just a simple nude lip gloss. And now I'm applying my lashes. I'm just using my hands to like press that in, making sure it is intact. And I'm going to grab my mascara and I'm going to apply some underneath my lashes. And I'm going to set and you're done. This is the final look. I love how this look came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. I love you all. Bye.